Assalamu alaikum, Eid Mubarak. I want to wish everyone a joyous and safe and healthy weekend coming up. I know that these have been very unusual times for all of us, but what my gratitude is here is in how our entire community has come together to pull through and help each other. From our parent community assisting in our children's education, our teachers going above and beyond the call of duty, spending long hours ensuring that the type of learning is comparable. But what's most important is that our learning continues, and it certainly is. To our support staff and our governing bodies who have provided all the necessary facilities for us to use in this online learning. So I'm extremely proud and extremely grateful to all the hard work that everyone has done. I wish you the best of holiday season. I wish you safe and very healthy next little while. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف حالكم؟ أنا هنا لأقول لكم كل عام وأنتم بخير. عيد مبارك. أرجو من الجميع البقاء في البيت. Stay home, stay safe. مع السلامة.
Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillah, Islam Daily Podcast, an Islamic daily initiative in collaboration with Student Council, surely connected many to empower their tomorrow. We had an audience from all around the world with over 1,500 downloads. Our podcast will continue till the 23rd of May, so keep listening. I thank my core team, students of Year 10 and our guests who came forward to perform Sadaqah Jariyah this Ramadan. Eid al-Fitr is around the corner. The best sadaqah we can do this Eid is stay home and be safe. I pray, may Allah keep us all safe and healthy. I pray that He forgives us and blesses us with life being back to normal. I pray, may Allah flood our lives with happiness on this occasion, our hearts with love, our souls with spirituality, and our minds with wisdom. Ameen. I wish you all a very happy Eid Mubarak.
When times are tough, we look upon leaders who lead us through the adversities. Today, on behalf of all the teachers, I would like to thank Mr. Frank Scarchelli, the head of school, Dubai Scholars, the senior leadership team, and the entire group of Scholars International for their tremendous support and guidance. Thank you.
Hello everyone. On behalf of my team, I would like to express my gratitude to the DS medical staff and to the doctors, nurses, paramedics, and healthcare workers who are parents of our children. Thank you for selflessly working for our communities. Have a blessed Ramadan and happy Eid.
Families of all the teachers at DS, to all our parents who are in India and in different parts of the world and could not meet due to travel restrictions, thank you for your love and your patience. Please take care of yourselves.
Hi, to all my colleagues across the globe, and especially the ones at Dubai Scholars, I take this opportunity to thank you for the great work that you are doing, especially in these trying times. This is from one teacher to another. No matter how big or small the task, no matter the place or time you're asked, you continue to be a source of inspiration. Thank you for your patience and dedication.
On behalf of my colleagues and the leadership team at Dubai Scholars, my heartfelt gratitude to all our parents. You believe in us, support us, and care for us. It empowers all of us to walk the extra mile. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
On behalf of Dubai Scholars Senior Phase teachers and students, today I'd like to express my deepest gratitude to the 4 pillars of Dubai Scholars. And this is our PA department, PE, Inclusion department, and the school counselor. You have done a great job, whether it was throwing up challenges, virtual dance classes, helping us help students, and our well-being program. Thank you very much.
Bonjour to all support and administration staff of Dubai Scholars. On behalf of the senior team, we would like to thank you warmly for your commitment and contribution in the development of our school during all these days and especially in this pandemic period. We would like to tell you thank you for your presence. Thank you for your answers. Vous êtes des soldats invisibles. Vous êtes nos anges gardiens. Soyez prudents et que Dieu vous protège. You are our invisible soldiers and you are our guardian angels. Be careful and God protect you.
Dear students of Dubai Scholars, thank you so much for accepting the new normal and being active participants in your distance learning. You have been very supportive to us teachers and have accepted the challenge to continue learning under these difficult circumstances. Thank you once again. Take care and be safe.
Students, on behalf of all teachers, I would like to wish Eid Mubarak to all our young graduates of year 13. This being your last year and a difficult one. All the best as you have better days ahead. I also would like to thank all our alumni students wherever you are. Please make sure you contribute well to the society. And thank you for being frontliners in whichever field you are. Continue making Dubai Scholars proud. Thank you.
Be thankful of what you have. You'll always end up having more. If you concentrate on things you don't have, you'll never ever have enough. As we express gratitude in the biggest forms of appreciation, we must not only utter words, but also live by them. Thank you. Thank you so much.